Binder medium is mixed with gel medium to create beautiful raised firm lines of texture. Once they're mixed together in an applicator bottle, they'll keep for months and months. This is the way I keep mine. I wash out the nozzle each time and put Glad wrap over the surface to stop the air getting in there. This is a mixture that's already been mixed. You do a little tester to make sure that the consistency is right. See that line? So if you were going to add lines of texture, that's what they look like when they're wet, and you can see some dried ones there. These make beautiful dots as well. And like I said, they will stay in these applicator bottles for months. To make them, all you do is you get your gloss gel. It's roughly half and half, but you have to experiment till you get it right. You put your impasto into your applicator bottle, you add your binder. The binder is what makes the gel adhere really well, and it makes it thin enough so that you can draw with it, whereas if you use the gel straight, it's too thick. Then you just shake and shake and shake, and you need to make sure that you test your mix. See, that's too runny, so you need to test your mixture until it's right. It's a wonderful addition to your texture painting, and I just want to show you some of the ways that you can treat these lines once they're adhered. On this large painting that is not completed as yet, I have several areas where the lines have been treated. This one here has only been glazed with a transparent color, so that lovely, you can see through into the depths of the line. So that's just coated with a transparent glaze. I think that's phthalo turquoise. This one here has been rolled, a roller with Payne's Grey, so that it just catches the top of it. And then these ones here have been dry brushed down here. You can see that where I just get the paint on the palette knife and scrape it across the top of those lines. But you can see how beautifully these raised textured lines add drama to your work, and because it comes out in a line, you could control with the applicator where you place it. There they are as dots. Just a really beautiful addition to your texture techniques.